A young man, spent his entire life saving money. He skipped parties, avoided buying things he loved, said no to almost everything, because he believed one thing: if I save enough money, one day I'll be rich. But years later, he looked at his life and realized something terrifying. He had money saved, but he was still broke. His name was Armin, a simple guy, middle-class background. Big dreams, but small actions. Every month he would carefully track his expenses, cut down on everything unnecessary. No vacations, no risks, no investments, just saving. Over time, his bank balance slowly grew. 1,000, 3,000, 7,000. But so did something else. Fear. Fear of losing money. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of stepping outside his comfort zone. Years passed. Armin was doing everything right. At least, that's what he thought. But his life didn't change. Same job, same stress, same limitations. Meanwhile, he noticed something strange. His friend Ryan, who earned less than him, was traveling, buying things, living freely, and somehow getting richer. Armin couldn't understand it. How is this possible? He thought. One evening, Armin finally asked him, "Ryan, be honest. How are you doing all this?" Ryan smiled, not in a proud way, but in a calm, confident way, and said something that changed Armin's life forever. "I don't just save money. I make money work for me." Armin was confused. "What does that even mean?" Ryan explained. "Saving money is important, but it's only the first step. If your money just sits in the bank, it loses value over time. Inflation eats it. But when you invest money, it starts working. It grows even when you sleep." Armin listened carefully. Ryan continued, "I invest in skills. I invest in assets. I invest in opportunities. That's why my money multiplies, while yours just sits there." That night, Armin couldn't sleep. For the first time in his life, he questioned everything he believed about money. The next day, he made a decision, not to stop saving, but to start learning. He read books, watched videos, studied how money actually works. Slowly, he started taking small risks. First investment, then another. He failed a few times, lost some money. But this time, he didn't quit. Because now, he understood the game. Months later, something started to change. His money began to grow, not just from his job, but from his decisions, from his mindset, from his courage. He wasn't just saving anymore, he was building wealth. And for the first time, he felt free. Here's the truth. Saving money will protect you, but investing money will grow you. Saving is safe, but growth requires courage. If you only save money, you might survive. But if you learn to make money work for you, you can truly live. Don't just save money, make money work for you.